Hi guys, welcome to Golden Eye. Today we are doing another important question of accounting equation. Let's begin. Question: from the following transactions state the nature of accounts and state which account will be debited and which account will be credited. First is Sahdev started business with cash rupees 5 lakh. Next, purchase goods for cash rupees 20,000. Next is purchase goods from Raghuveer on credit for rupees 25,000. Next, purchase furniture from Fancy Furniture House for 1,50,000 on credit. Next, sold goods for cash rupees 30,000. Next, sold goods to Yuvraj on credit for 50,000. Next is cash paid to Raghuveer rupees 20,000. Next is cash received from Yuvraj rupees 15,000. Next, paid rent for rupees 10,000. Let's start the answer. Transaction, accounts involved, nature of accounts, effect on accounts, debit, credit. Sahdev started business with cash rupees 5 lakh. So there will be two accounts involved in this transaction. First is cash, another is capital account. Nature of account, cash is assets and capital is capital nature. So there is positive effect on accounts. So entry will be cash account debit to capital. So cash will be debited rupees 5 lakh and capital will be credited rupees 5 lakh. Next is purchase goods for cash. There is two account involved in this transaction. One is purchases, another is cash account. Purchase is an expense and cash is an asset. So there is increase in the expense and decrease in the cash account. So entry will be purchase account debit to cash account. So purchases 20,000 will be debited and cash account 20,000 will be credited. Next is purchase goods from Raghuveer on credit rupees 25,000. So there is also two accounts involved in this transaction. First is purchases, other is Raghuveer. If instead of cash name is mentioned in the transaction, then we will assume this is credit transaction. This is not cash transaction. So purchase is our expense and we have to pay to Raghuveer. So this is our liability. So there is increase in liability and there is also increase in the expense. So entry will be purchases account debit to Raghuveer. So purchases 25,000 debited and Raghuveer 25,000 credited. Next is purchase furniture on credit for rupees 1,50,000. So two accounts involved are furniture account. Next is merchant account. So furniture is our assets and merchant is our liability. Why liability? Because we have to pay to merchant. Effect on both accounts are increasing. Why? Because it is increasing our assets and it is also increasing our liability. So entry will be furniture account debit to merchant. So 1,50,000 will be debited and 1,50,000 will be credited in the favor of merchant account. Next is sold goods for cash rupees 30,000. So two accounts are, first is cash account, next is sales account. So cash is our assets, sales is our revenue nature. So here also effect on both accounts are increasing because we have sold goods. So cash is increasing and also revenue sales is increasing. So entry will be cash account debit to sales account. 30,000 will be debited and 30,000 will be credited in the favor of sales. Next is sold goods to Yuvraj on credit rupees 50,000. So in accounts involved Yuvraj and next is sales. Yuvraj is an assets. Why? Because Yuvraj is our debtor, sales is our revenue nature. So here also effect on both accounts are increasing because we have sold goods to Yuvraj and it's also increasing our sales. So entry will be Yuvraj account debit to sales account. 50,000 debited in favor of Yuvraj and 50,000 credited in favor of sales. Next is cash paid to Raghuveer 20,000 rupees. Accounts involved are Raghuveer and cash. Raghuveer is our liabilities as we have to pay to Raghuveer. So liability will be decreased from 20,000 rupees. Cash is our assets and cash will also be decreased from 20,000 rupees. So entry will be Raghuveer account debit to cash account, debit 20,000 in favor of cash, credit 20,000 rupees. Next is cash received from Yuvraj. Accounts involved are cash and Yuvraj. Yuvraj is our assets as this is our debtor. So when we received cash from Yuvraj, so debtor will be decreased from 15,000. Cash is our assets. So when we receive cash, so our assets will be increased from 15,000. So entry will be cash account debit to Yuvraj. 15,000 debit and 15,000 credit in favor of Yuvraj. Next and last is paid rent 10,000 rupees. Accounts involved are rent and cash. So our expense is increasing from 10,000 rupees and cash is our assets. So assets is decreasing from 10,000 rupees. So entry will be rent account debit to cash account 10,000 rupees. Now that this is done, if you have any doubt then please let me know in the comment section.